First come the allegations, then come the arrest. And now the NEET UG paper leak case has reached the Prime Minister office. Let's try to understand what was the exact reason behind this. What began as suspicions among the students after the May 3rd NEET examination has now turned into one of the country's biggest exam controversies. Students questioned the results, parents demand the answer, and now protesters began across several cities. Soon after, the investigation expanded and the CBI stepped in. So far, multiple accused have been arrested in the connection with the paper leak case. According to the investigators, the network stretched across the cities including Pune, Latur, Nasik, Jaipur, Gurgaon, and Delhi. Among those arrests are coaching-linked individuals, teachers, and alleged exam insiders. The CBI claims that some accused had access to the question paper before the exam was conducted. Investigators have also identified certain lectures and education staff as the key links in the link network. As the investigation grew, pressure on the government also increased, and now the Prime Minister office is directly monitoring the preparation of the NEET re-exam scheduled on June 21st. A high-level meeting was held at Defence Minister Rajnath Singh residence in New Delhi. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, Communication Minister, senior PMO officers, NTA Director, and other top officials attended the meeting. According to the report, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is personally reviewing the important updates related to the re-exam. Officials have instructed to keep the PMO informed about every major security and examination arrangement. This time, the government says there will be no room for mistakes. Officials discuss strict security systems, including encrypted printing of the question papers, secure storage centers, digital monitoring, and protected transport routes to stop any possibility of another leak. In a major move, the center is also considering using Indian Air Force aircraft to transport the question papers safely across the country instead of depending only on the postal system. At the same time, states have been asked to ensure proper facilities for the students at examination centers, especially because of the extreme heat in many parts of the India. Arrangements like drinking water, electricity, fans, shaded waiting areas, and clean washrooms are also being reviewed. For lack of students, this is not just another exam, it is months of hard work, pressure, and the dream of becoming a doctor. And after weeks of confusion and controversy, the biggest challenge before the government now is simple. Can it conduct a fair, transparent, and error-free NEET re-exam and rebuild the trust of students across the country, or this exam will also lose the hopes of the student? Not only one student, around 22 lakh of students are going to reappear for the re-NEET exam that is going to take place on June 21st. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.